In front of me is DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. In them, select Bluetooth section and tap on this switcher next to Use Bluetooth if it's not already on. Following that, just wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now tap on Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, tap on this gear icon next to the device and choose Forget next to Connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!